Today we're learning how graphs can be misleading. Please copy the standard benchmark indicator on a clean page in the math notebook. The student given a problem situation will collect, analyze, display, and interpret data in a variety of graphical methods. Misleading graphs. There are many ways to make a graph that can mislead a careless reader. One way is to start labeling the graph at a number other than 0 without indicating that some numbers have been skipped. A graph can mislead by lengthening or shortening the space between data values in order to give a certain impression. Example, the sports action costs 4 times as much as in fashion. Explain. The bar showing the cost of sports action is about 4 times the length of the bar showing the cost of in fashion. Look carefully at the scale along the left axis of the graph. Notice that the scale starts at $50, so the first $50 of each magazine subscription has been skipped. The graph is misleading. The sports action subscription is $90 per year. In fashion costs $60 per year. Since 90 is not 4 times as much as 60, sports action does not cost 4 times as much as in fashion. Try it. Weekly review looks like it costs 5 times as much as in fashion. What is the yearly cost for weekly review? So if we go look at our graph, we can see the weekly review bar goes up to $100. Then we can see that in fashion is $60. Then it asks, does weekly review cost 5 times as much as in fashion? Explain. And we know the answer to that is no, because it's only $40 more, not 5 times more. B, weekly review looks like it costs how many times as much as PCNet? So let's go look. And if we look, it looks like weekly review costs twice as much as PCNet. And we know the yearly cost for weekly review is $100 because we looked at that for our last one. And PCNet is $75. Is this a true or false impression? It's false because we know it's only $25 more, not 2 times more. C, add a bar to the graph to show that a new magazine, Pets for People, costs $80 for a year subscription. So go ahead and draw the bar in. And make sure you shade it in nice and well. For D, Pets for People looks like it costs 3 times as much as in fashion because the bar looks 3 times higher. And we know that's a false impression because it's $80 and in fashion is only $60. And E, what can we do to correct the graph so it is not misleading? We can use a vertical scale that starts at 0 so that 0 to 50 is actually on the graph. Please make sure you have all of the work copied down and then glue this page in your math notebook.